profession.
This coming 29th, no? How was that? We said
orientation.
till this time, no? We didn't send that one, okay?
Is it? Oh my god.
We kept for plan to Niagara, but we didn't.
Oh, okay.
Because 6 hours journey means like last week we went to New York actually. By that time I'm like very difficult, no? We are feeling like for in highway he is driving like they are showing like 65 and he is driving like 70 or 75 and even though it is like very smooth also sometimes like bum and no bit difficult. Anyway, Niagara will be there, no? It won't go anywhere. Yeah, if you are taking risk and if something happens, means that will be. In India means okay, we can just go and lie down. So I thought of. Actually, we booked that hotel also.
Oh,
Through Orbit, we took that hotel, everything, and this Thursday or Friday afternoon, we thought of start from here. Like,
coming back on Saturday. Sunday.
no, Sunday. Because only Friday and Sunday only we have some fireworks over